Right now, we're seeing a notable spike in sentiment, with a score of plus 0.29 and momentum hitting plus 0.31. This is unusual when compared to the historical baseline. It indicates a strong uptick in positive sentiment that hasn't been this high in weeks. With our API, you get real-time sentiment analysis, including detailed insights across 16 semantic clusters. This means you can dissect market sentiment from various angles, helping you refine your trading algorithms or adjust your investment strategies with confidence. Imagine using this data to trigger alerts in your trading bot when sentiment shifts past a certain threshold. You'll be able to capitalize on momentum before the crowd catches on. Get started today. Check out the documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.